Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom, Grape Spread, and Lime Crime, Lavendairy. I'll be using my EDK stamping plate. And here it is. It is a beautiful stamping plate with lots of fruit on it. I know my friend over on Jilly's Nails, Miss Jilly, she don't want to put no food on her hands now. But it does have some drink images, those cute little ice cubes. So, you know, even people that don't want to wear food on their hands could find something on this plate that they would like. It's got those paint drippings too. Those are really nice. So I'm cleaning my plate with acetone, and it is a very well engraved plate. It is tearing everything up. I'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer on the black today, and my H. La Corsador scraper, and a Konad stamper. So here we go. We're going to just scrape that image and do a pickup. And I'll be filling this in just a moment. We're going to get that excess off the stamper because you guys know I can't stand it being on there. There it is. Now I'm using Grape Spread to fill this one in. Now really that's an image of a raspberry, but who cares? I couldn't find my image. I know I've got an image that's just a bunch of grapes. I couldn't find it. So y'all, I'm being real bold today, and I'm just using the brush out of the polish bottle to fill this one in. I don't normally do this because I am, y'all, I'm a mess. I can't stay in the lines even with the little stuff. So there it is. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to top it with some of the Wet n Wild Clear. I just like doing this to my decals or my reverse stamping, advanced stamping, all that goodness. I am going to be using my IMK Peeleze on my nails, and then the Grape Spreads going on, as well as this Lime Crime Lavendairy. So I am doing accent nails. I wanted to get through this collection of Dom Polishes, the Jams and Jellies collection. I wanted to wear every one of them before they got put away into the collection. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to, you know, pop out manicures quick, fast, and in a hurry with them. And here we go with the Lavendairy. I figured this would be a good accent nail color. That, and I had seen those Lime Crime polishes in my collection and decided I really needed to use them. I spent all that money on them years ago and might as well use them. You know. So there we go with our second coat. And I really do love these polishes. Now, I can tell you that these have those reflective glitters in them. My camera doesn't pick them up. Not in the video, not in my swatch photos, nothing. But they're there. And I'm telling you, they're stunning. Along with that hollow glitter, y'all, it's just, it's breathtaking. Love, love, love them. So here we go with our second coat of Lavendairy. I am going to top these with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get them to dry down real quick. Kind of got like a little bump on the end of that nail polish. It's okay though. As long as it's smooth and don't catch on nothing, I'll be alright. There we go. And top coat for the Lavendairy. Gotta cover it up. Yes, ma'am. Gotta cover that up. So there we go. So pretty. And that could be worn just like that. So pretty. And we're going to use the Maniology Sticky Base. I'm going to put that on that accent nail. And I don't let it dry or anything. You know, I do a very thin coat so that it's not all sloppy and slidey. And then I just take that and line it up and push it onto the nail. Bam! There it is. Alright, so I'm tapping it down with my finger. You want to make sure that it's stuck down really well. And I'm going to go around with my cleanup brush and get some of that excess off of my skin. Loving it. So there we go. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. That's just going to bring it to life right there. And today I'm going to be using Seche Vite as my fast drying top coat on this manicure. And we're going to get it to dry down with that on it. And I'll show you a swatch photo of it all glossified. I do end up putting the Seche Vite on the other nails as well, because the other top coat kind of got ate up by the polish. Kept that free edge. Alright, so there's my swatch photo, and now we're going to use the Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper, and we're going to mattify this rascal. We're going to make it look all cool. I don't know what it is, but here lately I've been really digging this matte top coat. I got it in, and I'm obsessed. So for a while you might be seeing glossy and matte from me, because I'm telling you, I can't get enough. There we go. There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.